Hello Wisey kids, it's Jenette teacher here, and today I'm going to show you how to repot a plant. Okay, so what does repotting a plant mean? Well, just like you grew from a baby to 5 years old, to 6 years old, to 7 years old, right? So you got bigger. It's the same with a plant. Now this little plant is really big now, so he needs a bigger pot, because his pot is a little bit small right now. So Jenette teacher got him a nice bigger pot that he can be in from now on, so that he can grow. Just like you need space to grow, plants also need space to grow. All right, so what you're going to need? Well, of course, your plant to repot, a new pot, a bigger one, some soil, and of course, water. Okay, so, and oh, most importantly, I almost forgot, your hands. This is very fun. So in your new pot, you take some soil. Don't worry if your hands get dirty, it's fun. We're gonna add some soil. Oh, add. Let's just keep adding. Whoop. All right, let's see. I'm gonna shake. Shake the pot until about that much. Then what you're going to do, you're going to take your finger. You're gonna make a hole in the pot, into the soil. Let's see, can you see there? There's the hole. Now what you're going to do, very, very carefully, you have to take out this plant from this one. So what you're going to do is softly wiggle. Let's see, wiggle. Wow, look at that. Let's remove some of the soil. Okay, do you see? Can you see his roots? Huh? Can you see his roots? Oh, he's nice and big. So if he gets too big for this pot, his roots become too many, then he can't grow anymore in this pot. So, but hopefully this one will be better. So we're going to take this one. Now we've made the hole. Let's make one more hole again. There we go. And let's go. Carefully, we're going to put the roots into the hole. All right, we're going to put into the hole like that. Do you see? Okay. Then what we're going to do is you're going to take your fingers, the soil around the plant, we're going to push down a little bit. Like that. But he still needs a little bit of soil. So take your bag. Carefully, we're going to shake to the side. Just pour a little bit in again. All right, let's put it down. And then we're going to push the soil around our little friend. Maybe this time I think I'll just put my hand in here and try. So we're going to take some more. Pour. Woo! Don't worry if you miss a little bit. It's okay. I'm just going to turn it. I'm going to add some more. I think he needs a little bit more. So then just flat it out, pat the soil. See, that looks much better, right? He looks really, really happy now. Okay, so now what we're going to do, after repotting a plant, you need to give the plant water. Just like you get thirsty, plants also get thirsty. They need water to grow. What else does a plant need to grow? Okay, so they need water. What else do they need? Sunlight. Yes, they need sunlight. They need somewhere to stand in the sunlight to grow. So we have to be very, very kind to our plant friends, because they give us oxygen to breathe. And with oxygen we can run and play and sing and speak, and we can live happy lives. All right, so last thing, we're going to spray with some water. All right, let's go. Whoop. I'm going to spray. Let's see if we might have to adjust this one. Whoa, okay, spray. Make sure the soil is nice and wet. Keep spraying. This is a very noisy bottle. Spray bottle. sprayed him, he watered him. Okay, he was quite happy. All right, Wisey kids, I hope this inspires you to do some gardening at home, and always say thank you to our plant friends. Without them, life would be very different. So, all right, darlings, good job.